Now, one more example, post-digital. First of all, let's agree on terms. What is post-digital? As far as post-digital is related to digital, let's start with the more understandable category of digital art. Digital art is the art of new media using computers, networks, big data, programming, artificial intelligence, by the way. The objects of digital art often exist only in virtual space. A digital object can be seen through special software, gadgets, or apps, or maybe through some special glasses. And here we come to the main point. The post-digital art is directly opposite to the digital art. Post-digital drags the processes of the digital world into the real life. The practices of post-digital art are like smuggling of digital into reality. That's the evidence of blurring of the boundary between the virtual and the real life. It might be capturing digital images and phenomena and transferring them into the human world. In the framework of this scenario, post-digital, an artist reflects on how digital aesthetics has affected our ideas of normality or style. With the help of this scenario, an artist might capture and show what digital world has done to us. Post-digital art is often focused on the aesthetics of glitch or a bug, an error, a systematic failure. Xavier Villan is one of the brightest representatives of the post-digital artistic strategy. He takes a multidisciplinary approach to his practices, working in sculpture, installation, painting, photography, performance, and collaborating with musicians. Villan creates objects characterized by hybrid forms on the boundary of visual and real life. Sculptures are angular, faceted, with surface seem to be interrupted by digital glitches. That's what I told you about systematic error, a glitch, aesthetics of a bug. Well, and Xavier Villan plays with the notions of the generic, of the industrially produced objects. He addresses issues of perception. Do we see digital or real life? In Versailles in 2009, the artist offered the viewer with almost abstract sculpture of angular, a horse-drawn carriage. Something dual instead of simple answers. Is it digital or real? These pixel horses with a disruption of a glitch. We see some kind of mutation, a flowing of the virtual into the real life. The young sculptures seem incomplete, not fully articulated in our space, half stuck in the digital world. Villan's new works can be seen in an exhibition Autofocus. While the sculptural forms are undoubtedly human, the artist makes smooth surfaces to create faceless or even ghostly figures, in contrast to geometric angular approach, which we've seen in the previous works I've shown. New forms are called blurred sculptures. They have soft shapes without edges. They are made up of new patented type of concrete made from recycled materials such as stone dust. Some years ago, the artist decided to make ecology a top priority.